So here's the kitchen. I've got boxes everywhere. I've just run a load in the dishwasher and I am ready to pack this kitchen up, and it's fairly clean. I will give you that much. I put random things in here, but there is dust and film on all of the cabinets and like inside the freezer. I mean, people lived here, right? So there's like a couple of gross things. I mean, that's my bread, but there's things in the background. So I am going to just do a quick clean here and then I can start putting everything away. So that'll help offload a lot of this kitchen stuff. So this is what we're doing. Just spices and things, right? Spice racks, bottles down there. But anyway, it all needs to be cleaned up. There we go, much better. That's all clean. That water is disgusting, and it's not like it was overly dirty, but it's just dirt accumulates, and now the fridge is perfectly clean. So now we can get back to eating. Woohoo! Okay, there was like about an inch of dust on there, what looked like hair, maybe cat hair. Anyway, I am going hard back here. It's nasty, but you know what? Someone's got to do it. So you and me, lady. Not into this. All right, I'm cleaning the toaster. So I've taken out, I have a Cuisinart toaster, and I'm taking out the part that catches all the toast bits, which I never clean, because who am I? Anyway, cleaning it up.
Mom is currently cleaning.
What is this? A whole kitchen. Dude, like snazzy appliances.
I know.
Look, double stove.
And
yeah.
Guess what?
What? And I saw your thingy.
We have
that side.
Oh.
There's so many things I didn't even know. Like the little light thing in the bathroom. Yeah. Brilliant. I know. It's like so I'll be here doing my hair. I'll be here doing my hair. Just yeah, exactly. Let it curl towards it. Oh my god, that's right.
And they left us.
Here's my plan, by the way. So I am doing like a preliminary wipe down, and then I'm gonna get the cleaning lady, once we're like settled, to come in and do a swoop, and then to see if maybe she wants to work part-time for me, because I'm just trying to like get everybody else's germs off of my stuff. Do you know what I mean? Like, not to say people before here were unclean or anything, but it's not my people. So I want to clean it so it's my people's dirt, you know? That's what I'm doing. 2 in the new house, and the kitchen feels like home. So that's something. Nowhere else really feels like home. The bedroom upstairs is feeling more cozy. It's starting to smell more like us, you know? I always find like, well, not just me, but we tend to be very sensitive to scent, and it's like not quite smelling like our home yet, but it will. Anyway, so I'm about to do some dishes. Starting to feel like home when you gotta do the dishes and load the dishwasher. Dean's taking the kids out to get a few things, like we've been updating some of the lights in the house. I don't know if I showed you this on the vlog, but I was showing it on Instagram. Like, we got a new light. Let there be light. This wall color is very dark to me, and so it is just absorbing all of the light. Anyway, so we got this new light here. I'll turn it off to show you what it actually... So this is it, but you can see it's quite dark in here. P.S. we are making some plans to put a window in there. But yeah, this was like their TV room, so cool. When you have a TV room, you kind of want it a little bit darker, but for us, it's gonna be a dining area, so we need that brighter. And we're likely getting a new table set eventually, because this one has seen some better days, but yeah, updating slow but sure. This is all gonna go. And yeah, we're gonna like repaint that kind of stuff. Anyways, so slow and steady, we're getting it together. Real talk though, last night was hard. I had one of those moments that was like, are we doing the right thing? Nobody's feeling settled. It doesn't quite feel like our home. So we're gonna sage the place. I have a really nice white sage in a box. I gotta find it. Dean's also gonna see if he can find another one at a local health food store. Yeah, we're gonna sage it. And we're just gonna start changing the mindset. Like, not that we haven't, but it's a switch, right? Like, it's a change, and it just takes some time. It takes time to feel settled and normal, and we'll get there. We will get there. But also, Jack is having surgery in 2 days, and I'm just like, Amanda, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. And when I listen to him like sucking in air every night because there's just not enough airway, I'm reminded why we're doing this, but it's a lot. He's getting his tonsils and his adenoids removed. Ugh, we'll get there. We will get there. Looking good. I am currently cleaning this bathroom. So, this is all the supplies. Ugh. Oh, they even like kind of clean that thing out, which is awesome. There's this random, like, I don't know what's going on here. Anyway, it smells like they stored Christmas decorations in here. So I've just vacuumed it. I'm gonna wipe down the surroundings, and yeah, that's what I'm up to. Again, why is it so dark? I need like bright lights. I feel dark.